Hi, my name is Rachel. Welcome to Daily Body Pilates. My goal is to teach you how to move and exercise safely and effectively so you can live your life with more strength and less pain. Daily Body Pilates does this by giving you 3 workouts per month that you cycle through each week at your own pace. When you repeat a workout, you familiarize yourself with movement sequences and you can more easily gauge your progress. It also gives you the tools to be able to work out anytime, anywhere. And by the end of the month, you may not even need your videos to guide you through your movement. Having the ability to check in and attend to your body without the need for outside instruction can be so liberating. Plus, just when you might be getting comfortable with those first 3 workouts, the next 3 will drop with fresh new routines that will build on what you've been working on. I'm not an influencer. I'm really not even very good at social media. What I am is a busy working mom whose mental and physical well-being is maintained in no small part by my daily movement practice. This is the knowledge and accessibility I want to bring to you. I hope you'll join me.